Causation can be more elusive than you think. Causal inference in machine learning helps us understand relationships between variables. In a 2021 study, researchers showed that 70% of causal claims in popular algorithms were misidentified. This approach uses statistical techniques to determine whether one event causes another, rather than just correlating data. Tools such as directed acyclic graphs, DAGs, and propensity score matching are essential in this process. With increasing data sizes, machine learning models now analyze millions of data points, making causality analysis crucial for accurate interpretations. Millions depend on these insights in fields like healthcare and economics. Alright, let's dive deeper. Imagine you're a data scientist working on a healthcare project. You have tons of data showing that patients who take a new medication have lower blood pressure. But does the medication cause the decrease, or are healthier patients more likely to take it? That's where causal inference steps in. It helps us untangle these complexities. One of the fundamental tools is the directed acyclic graph, or DAG. Think of it as a roadmap that visually represents causal relationships. By mapping out all possible paths, we can see not just direct effects, but also indirect ones. This is crucial for understanding the true impact of any variable. Then we have propensity score matching. It's like creating a twin for each unit in your dataset, matching them based on similar characteristics. This way, you can compare outcomes between treated and untreated groups more accurately. This method helps isolate the effect of the treatment itself, minimizing bias. As data scientists, understanding these tools is key to making informed decisions. For instance, in economics, knowing the true cause of unemployment rates can shape better policies. In healthcare, it means creating treatments that genuinely improve patient outcomes. By embracing causal inference, we move beyond surface-level correlations to uncover the true dynamics at play. It's not just about more data, it's about smarter data. And that's how causal inference is revolutionizing machine learning.